Well, hello kids. Here we are for the real first look at what's going on here at what will be our new home. And you can see that they've got the footings poured, and obviously the basement is dug out. So that's very cool. This part right over here, right above this, is going to be where the screened porch is, and then it'll go out to where the deck off the screen porch is. This area all the way through here is going to be my garage, and Celeste's garage is going to be right up here. And then everything from about this point on all the way back through there, all this is going to be workshop area and stuff like this. This will be storage for overflow, be Christmas stuff, but overflow from the kitchen and stuff like that. And right about there will be where this bathroom downstairs is going to be. This is the lake out in here on the other side of the trees. And you can see two huge piles of dirt there and way up there. As we walk into the garage, again, this will be overflow storage, so that's a nice size room. This will be right here, will be where the downstairs bathroom will be. And someplace right about in here is where the stairs from upstairs will come down. Start walking into the workshop area, which is right all through here. It's going to be about 1,500 square feet and through here all the way in through there. This is going to be my safe room. Why they have this in here, I don't know. There's supposed to be a vault door that's going to go right in here. So they'll have to, they probably just pinned it just for the heck of it. And there, of course, is my spouse taking a picture of me as I take a picture of her. Hi, honey! And you can see the lot back through here and back and throughout the trees. So that's kind of where we are for our first look at it. And oh, these are going to be the footings for the actual deck, not the screen porch. Screen porch will be up here, and then those will be the footings for the porch. Thanks for watching. And so they're placing the walls up. So these walls right now are about 10 feet high, and as you can see right through there, that's going to be the door I was talking about for the safe room.